Okay, this is a short video regarding the bracket design that was just sent over to make sure that we have everything perfectly tight before we go to the stage of the prototype. So this part, as shown in the drawing, was going in here before from where it attached to the wall. I believe that this part can be eliminated completely and replaced with just another one of the existing parts, so that this part, and this part at the other end are all three the same part. I like the modifications that were made in the drawing, but we do need to do something, because at the end, the way it's currently designed, if you turn this, it hits. You can see it doesn't turn all the way. You can't rotate it because it hits right there. So you have an issue with the attachment hitting. And to correct that, when you look at the part, where we have a nut hole on the outside, flush edge, I would like to move this part of it over so it is flush also. So move this part to this edge so it's flush on the bottom, so it'll be offset. And then on the inside, add a nut hole on that part. So we'll keep the nut hole that's on the bottom. We will move this entire piece down flush with the bottom and keep it flush, and add a nut hole on the inside portion. If we make that one change to this part, basically adding one of these to this side and moving this piece down flush to here, then that will give us a part that will allow this to turn completely, because it'll be on the bottom flush. It'll allow this bolt to be down inside of that part, and it'll allow everything to work properly in the entire space. Also, I just want to make sure that you can see that we keep this groove in these slide pieces so that these nuts will catch the groove and be able to be tightened. And the only place that we need a washer then would be in the connection between the two slide pieces to each other. We need a washer, but on the other end we don't. This way, when it is mounted to a wall, if this is the wall, you can screw here, here, tighten, and all the nuts face the same direction to tighten, or they face the bottom to tighten, so that when it's on the wall, it's easy to adjust and tighten it. If it's on the ceiling, then it would be like such, and this whole thing would be flipped over and it'd be on the ceiling, and then you could adjust it from the other side or flip it over to adjust. But basically, everything that was done in the preliminary that you did works well, other than now we need to slide the part, this edge up, and add a hole. That's it.